Everybody, welcome back to Rick's Gadgets. Today what I've come up with was the license plate removal tool for the front of the Tesla Model S. It's got those pesky little bolts that are kind of proprietary. So what I did was I came up with a model and have it 3D printed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the files out on Thingiverse. So if you want to print one out, you can. I've gone through a couple of different iterations on this. I just added the little nubs to kind of help you unscrew it if it's just hand tight. But I've also got it with a 1/4 inch drive adapter on the back side. So it should be able to go in there and loosen those bolts up. I will warn you, we did torque them back down pretty heavy, and it is kind of easy to strip. So you kind of have to be gentle. So as long as they're not too tight, you should be able to get these off without a problem. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Drop them in the comment section below. And like I said, I've got a couple extras. So if anybody, first one or two that says they need one, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get up with you and get your address, and I'll send you some. So thanks everybody, and check me out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
Yeah, where that is. All right. Uh-oh.